Hello, hola, wagwan, ogenki desu ka? Okay, so as you've seen in my last video, I traveled out. I went to Tokyo and I also went to Ibaraki to stay with my sister in for the weekend. It was a really nice trip, but because it was like a business trip and it was just for the weekend, I had planned to visit with my boyfriend's student. If you didn't watch that story, you need to watch to see what the hell I'm talking about. But I forgot. And all things work together for good, because possibly I would have gone there and I would have been embarrassed for some reason or the other, because I sent him a message and up to this day he hasn't responded. I'm not gonna run behind him. The only reason I followed up with him is because I liked the fact that I just sat in my room and I did online lessons with him and I just got my money like that. I'm about the money. He's old anyway. But yeah, we're not about that life. We don't look man and such. So it's probably a good thing I didn't get to go see him, but it was nice. I did some people watching. As you can see, it's started to look like Christmas in Japan and people are just doing their little Christmassy thing. So yes, let's talk about the food. The food, honey, the food. I hunted this restaurant for like days when I stayed there in August, but it was closed because of the pandemic and whatever. So I made up my mind that I had to experience this because my friend told me that it's very good. Actually, she's not a foodie. I thought she was. She just loves her Jamaican food and that's it. She's not adventurous as I am. So if she tells me that the Jamaican restaurant is good, I'm going to take her word for it. Waiting for it to finish. So yeah, we did go there and it's a nice vibe. Actually, I followed him on Instagram before I actually visited and he was like, oh, big up yourself, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Irie, you can find him on Instagram. I'm telling you, I highly recommend. I'm not sure if it is because I haven't had Jamaican food like authentic unless I cook it for almost 3 years. But it's good, like it good. Man, not tell no lie, it have a buzz. No, I don't think that's the reason. It's really good, and I like the fact that he separated the sauce from the meat. So if you don't want the spiciness, if you want just mild, you can have that, or you can use the sauce, which is crazy. Like this guy, let me tell you this about him. He has never been to Jamaica. Oh my gosh, I forgot to ask him, why did he fall in love with Jamaica so much? I really wanted to ask him. But anyways, I'm going to ask him on Instagram and I'll let you guys know. But he's never been to Jamaica. He uses a cookbook from Jamaica to make his dishes. Oh my gosh, a cookbook, guys. Like, girl, you better can cook. You think they have a pretty look, you want to go to a restaurant and go, done man bank book, cook, a recipe book. Like, if this Japanese guy can do this, what excuse do you have not to get up and take up a book and cook? And I'm telling you, he got it right. And the restaurant is transformed into the whole Jamaican atmosphere. He had like old hits music playing and it was all about Jamaican things all around the restaurant. It's very small, but it's just embellished with Jamaican items and pictures and the work. I'm telling you, I had to go back the following day to get my food to go for the bus. Let's see how the banana chips taste. I wonder if it's Sundai. It looks like the real one. It tastes like the one that I buy at Daiso.
Oh.
Is it barbecue flavor? Nice vibe still. Here's the food. We got banana chips as dessert. It's not the original banana chips. It's a banana chips that I found in Japan. There is a video with that. I just hoarded that banana chips because it can actually pass for Jamaican banana chips. It's not as good, but it can go on. You understand? We have to make do with what we have. So the food was really good. This is spicy chicken wings. It have a buzz. Nah lie.
Shall we begin?
Have a buzz. It has a little spiciness to it. It's sweet. And it tastes like a little jerky on it as well. Good.
Thumbs up.
Them just fry the fries. Some fries we eat, you know. So Jamaicans eat. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend the festival because I know how the festival is supposed to taste, and this one is just his idea. But yeah, if you don't know about the real Jamaican festival, you'll say that it's nice. It's okay, it can go on, you understand me? But look here, the guy went all out. Even in the restroom you can see all sorts of stuff about Jamaica. Oh my gosh, look at the man toilet. Look, they're all about Jamaica. Listen, sometimes we are not even as proud of our own culture as someone else is. Look at that in the toilet. I don't even have one picture. Oh, well, I don't need to put pictures of that in my toilet. But me rate him. I'm not gonna lie. Rate him. And we get present. We got a present. Look how them nice. Oh gosh. Like seriously, we haven't used Scotch bonnet pepper since we came to Japan, which is like 2 years for Sivani, almost 3 years for me. So that was very thoughtful of him. And I was thinking about planting the seed, you know what I mean? But let's see how that goes. I definitely need to go back. I think I might do so in the holiday season. Like, yeah, in the Christmas season. And it would be nice to get a little interview with him because I'm curious, like, why did he, start this business? He has been running this business for 3 years, I think, based on my calculation on his business certificate. But I'd love to talk to him and I'll definitely try to do it. He's nice, so I figure he will. We enjoyed it to the max. He had us singing all the way home. Wait for it. Wait for the singing. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Thank you. We're going to say yeah, man.
You on my mind, I can't figure out just what to do when the thought of you is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control when it starts to take over me in a daze.